basically do something which is not very apparent, which is not, doesn't come out of the box, which is something unconventional. And I think the confidence, I think like beginning that having done these 4 big experiments through the team, I think the biggest takeaway would be that the confidence in the team to say, yeah, I mean, if it is not even out of the box, I mean, what's the big deal, right? We know how to get around it, how to basically get any kind of add-on, where exactly, I mean, how do you, because this requires a big picture understanding also, right? Anything you are, and that has been actually the true challenge moving from application to product. In a product, I mean, you might be writing just 6 lines, 10 lines, 20 lines, right? But those 20 lines come out of an understanding which has been developed over multiple years, right? Those 20 lines a beginner cannot do. It basically knows that you are touching the right wires, you are basically touching the right code, you are touching it the right way, right? So it becomes very precise work. And I think through this, what we have really understood is that what exactly is the wiring. I mean, how does it is wired internally? How does it work under the hood, right? And then that, I think, will give us a lot of confidence. That's I take as the biggest takeaway. And apart from this, I think this has been more unique in terms of that. I mean, other hackathon, I mean, all things that we have done before this, it was typically a POC. Right, but at least I see 2 examples here which are kind of ready to go, and other 2 perhaps, I mean, if we invest, if we refine our use case, if we say that this is perhaps something more we can do, right, then I think they are also candidates to be accepted on the marketplace. So that's what we should try. I think Hybris should be very excited here. I mean, it was a revelation for me that payment methods are as lean as just choosing one payment method. I mean, I think today's this thing that is pretty insufficient. So I think it's very timely, and we should certainly explore that. I mean, I think we should talk to someone on Hybris side, maybe architect. I think Ankit will be he could be very good guiding force for us to say how do we kind of culminate this work that we have onto the Hybris marketplace. So fantastic effort here. Again, kudos to you. I think unlike other hackathon where we work over basically one weekend, right? I mean, typically you start Saturday morning or something and go till Sunday. I think in here people have almost put what I think more than 6 weekends.
Yes, the thought process has gone for 6 weekends.
6.
But the dev has gone for a couple of weeks.
Okay. So at least I think 2 or 3 weeks, because all the time I saw, I mean, people coming over weekends and doing that. So I think that has been a continuous. So this is a hackathon which has been also a marathon. Okay. So again, kudos to you here. Thanks for all the great work. And let's continue this momentum forward. Thanks a lot.